Hey, what's going on, everybody? Product Probe Quick Reviews back at you with another TF-705 series. This is the cadmium coated, the rainbow version style of this knife. But let's do a little quick overview of it real fast. While it's closed, let's see what we got. Let's get a close-up on it. So, right here you have your window breaker right here, which can also be a flathead screwdriver, which is really cool. Right up here you have your lanyard hole, or you can use it to bend wire and things like that. You have a non-lethal defensive rail up here, which of course you could get it, bam, do what you got to do to get somebody off of you if you need it in a tactical type situation or a defensive situation. And right here you do have your nice little trigger. Right here the belt clip, it does sit pretty low on the knife, so it will show this much out of your pocket, but it seems to be fairly well. Got a little bottle opener right here, but the bad thing about the bottle opener is that you have to have the knife open. So let's go ahead and look at that real quick. Do we want to use the actual quick release? Because there's no thumb studs, but you have this finger hole right here. Bam! And it throws it open rather nice, but check this out on the bottle opener. Again, it kind of looks like a cougar right there, but it shines, his mouth and his eyes and its nose. But pop a beer, but just watch your pinky right back here, because when this knife opens, you actually have to have it open to use the bottle opener. So be careful on that. It is a safety hazard, but this actual knife is pretty loaded. Now, if you're wondering why the blade is all scratched up, we actually did a full in-depth review on this knife on our other channel, Product Probes. We show the sharpness. We use the flathead screwdriver. We use the bottle opener. We show what it looks like in the pocket. We really dive deep into it. So if you want to go check that out, a more in-depth review, just be sure to go check it out. And again, that is at Product Probes. But let's finish this thing out right here. So you got your open liner lock right there. Half serration, half straight drop point blade. So single hand close was fine. Let's try this right here. Now the trigger, just as fast, guys. And I guess that would have been your single hand deployment, and your single hand close is right there. You could do this all day or flip over to that thumb. Quick release right there. So guys, this is the cadmium coated TF-705 by TAC Force. If you want to see a more in-depth review, again, just go check us out at Product Probes. This is Product Probe Quick Reviews. But hope the review helped if you're thinking about getting it, guys. And I will see y'all in the next one.